In this video I am unboxing a brand new Bernina 475 Quilters Edition. This sewing machine comes with everything you need to get started, including a slide-on extension table, knee lift, detailed instruction manual which is easy to follow, an accessory case, power lead, some spare needles and threads, a bag of accessories and the essential presser feet, a fabric cover and an automatic buttonhole. Now let's get it plugged in and switched on. In the next video I'll be showing you the basics of how to set the machine up for sewing. Although you can use the start stop button, a foot control is also provided. And here is an overview of the included press feet and accessories. Thank you for watching.